ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनी व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यासत्रिंशत्. There will be some background noise today. Some music will come because the door is open. Abhyasatrimshat, ekatrimshati, sorry, 31. Right? We have to see this niyama again. This full niyama we have to see 123. Ekashatam त्रयोविंशति. स प्रत्यय जब सकर्मक धातु से कर्मवाच्य में होगा तो कर्म में प्रथमा. So सकर्मक involves some karma. For example, gamana kriya, gaman, gam dhatu is sakarmaka. So when you go sakarmaka and you say I want to use kta pratyaya, then karta will be in tritiya. So let's take a simple example. Rama goes to Ayodhya. So you say karta mein tritiya, ramena, ramena Ayodhya nagaraha or nagaram, because it is napumsakalinga. Karma mein prathama, because it is going to be karma vachya. Ramena Ayodhya nagaram gataha has gone. In that way, Rama has gone to Ayodhya. Gataha, Ramena gataha, gataha or gatam, because nagaram it will be gatam, because kriya ka linga vachana or vibhakti karma ke anusar, and karma says nagaram, so gatam. Ramena Ayodhya nagaram gatam. In that way it will be. This is a sakarmaka dhatu with karma vachya. But here they say अकर्मक धातु से एक प्रत्यय होगा तो कर्ता में तृतीय. हाँ जी.
नगरम.
हाँ.
नगरम we are taking as प्रथमा और द्वितीय.
प्रथमा. प्रथमा एक नगरम. Because they say कर्म में प्रथमा. Here you see they say कर्म में प्रथमा. This is why. This is why we take. Like for example, they will give. See, they have given an example. Maya grantha. Here it is a clearer because it is pullinga. Maya grantha patitaha. We will not say Maya grantham patitaha. Maya grantha patitaha. Karma mein prathama. That. This is karma vachya. Maya tritiya ekavachanam. Sahata aham shabda asmat shabda maya.
Because grantha is pullinga.
Correct. आकर्मक धातु से एक त प्रत्यय होगा तो कर्ता में तृतीया होगी. सेम थिंग, बट कर्म नहीं होगा ना. इन आकर्मक भाववाच्य इफ यू वांट टू टेक, देयर वोंट बी एनी कर्म. क्रिया में नपुंसकलिंग एकवचन ही रहेगा. सो इफ देयर इज अ क्रिया देन इट विल स्टे नपुंसकलिंग एकवचन. सो फॉर एग्जांपल चल धातु इज एन अकर्मक धातु. जैसे द सेम अर्थ है एज गमन, गम धातु, but chal dhatu you can take to go, but chal dhatu does not need any karma. So if at all there is a karma as akarmaka dhatu, pratyaya hoga to karta mein tritiya. So same ramena Ayodhya nagaram chalataha or chalitaha, maybe it will be chalitavan, chalitaha in that way, or chalitam it will be, because napumsakalinga Ayodhya nagaram in that way. Or you can take hasataha, has dhatu, ramena hasitam. Simple. Ramena hasitam. Ramas laughed. That's all.
So,
Ramena hasitam.
Whether it is aham or ramena, maya or ramena, it will still remain prathama ekvachana. It will not shift to uttama purusha ekvachana.
No, that is because the kriya is based on the karma, not the karta.
Karma. Yeah, okay, understood. Sorry, sir.
Ga, त प्रत्ययांत क्रिया शब्द कर्म के अनुसार पुल्लिंग होगा तो उसके रूप रामवत चलेंगे. सो दिस वी हैव सीन, राइट? रामः, सो गतः, इफ आई वांट टू से रामः रामो रामः, गतः गतौ गताः, दैट इज ऑल. बट इफ आई वांट टू से इन स्त्रीलिंग रमा रमे रमः, गता गते गताः. सो वी विल से फॉर एग्जांपल तेन उपनिषद पठिता, बिकॉज उपनिषद स्त्रीलिंग. सो वी विल से तेन कठोपनिषद पठिता. He has studied or she has studied, both will be only patita, because that kriya will be based on Upanishad, not who has studied it, not karta, on the karma. So striling mein hoga to ramavat, napumsakalinga grihavat. So we had said griham in that way, griham. Jaise they will give example here. Aham pustakam apatham ke sthan par maya pustakam patitam, and it will not be patitaha because this patitam is based on pustakam, not maya. Even if I were male, I can still not say patitaha, patitam. Or maya dve pustake patite, because patite because pustake. We don't need to say dve, we can just say maya pustake patite, that is enough. Or maya pustakani patitani, that is also correct. Pustakani patitani, they are together. Or you can say maya grantaha patitaha. Grantaha here is pullinga. Grantau patitau, grantaha patitaha. Pullinga ekvachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Or maya bhala, bhala strilinga, so it will be drishta, drashta. This is what we say, right? Upanishad patita, Upanishadaha patitaha, bahuvachana. So whatever it is, it will just follow the rule of the karma. This is the rule in karma vachya. Sakarmaka, akarmaka, whatever. If it is akarmaka, then it will just be tena hasitam. There is no karma here. That is all. Hasita shabda is going to be in Napumsakalinga always. Tena hasitam, tena chalam or chalitam, in that way. Whatever ruditam they have given. Anything, they will only take the dhatu, Napumsakalinga rupa, no karma. But karta will be in tritiya and karma Napumsakalinga. This is karma vachya. This is how we do. Karma vachya, maybe you will have to see this again on your own, if at all it is little confusing. But karma vachya is very beautiful. A lot of people, and it is also kind of, you don't use aham shabda when you don't need to. You can save aham shabda for paramartha rupa. You don't need to use aham shabda in vyavaharika prayoga. Like you need not say, it is okay, there is nothing wrong, because in Vedanta books also they have said you can use aham, you just have to know which aham. But people use this karma vachya maybe because the aham shabda will be kept only for brahmasmi, etc. And here we'll say maya pustakam patitam. I won't say aham pustakam patami. Maya pustakam patitam. So that aham shabda, instead of that you can use maya. And also tena, etc. This may be one of the reasons why karma vachya is very popular. Karma vachya indeed is very popular. This may be a reason.
Good reason, thank you. Like that.
Niyama ekashatam chaturvimshati. Gatyartha karmaka. This full sutra is Gatyartha karmaka, karmaka, shlisha, shing, stha, sava, sajana, ruha, jirya, tibhyascha. This is not a super critical sutra. This rarely comes, but it is good to know what it says. Jana chalna arth ke dhatuon. So gamana, gam dhatu, ruh dhatu, jan dhatu, all this is given in this sutra. Gati, artha, karmaka, all that. Akarmaka dhatuon tata shlish. All these are akarmaka dhatus. Shlish, si, stha, as, vas, jan. To stay, to be, to live, all these akarmaka dhatus. Jru, vridona. Ta pratyaya karma vachya mein bhi hota hai. So karma vachya generally ta pratyaya is in karma vachya. But in agati arthaka dhatus, ta pratyaya will also be in kartru vachya. Generally what we have to remember, there are two types of nishta pratyayas. Kta, ktavatu. Kta, karma vachya. Tavatu, kartru vachya. But if there are akarmaka dhatus or gamana, gati arthaka dhatus, ta pratyaya will also come in kartru vachya. Jaise ata karta mein prathama or karma mein dvitiya. Just such how we generally we are comfortable with that kind of words. For example, saha griham gataha. We don't have to say tena griham gatam. We just say saha griham gataha. Sa gramam praptaha. We don't have to say tena gramam praptam. Sa bhutaha. We don't have to say tena bhutam. Harihi ramama shlishtaha. So all these they have given different examples. Karmavachya या भाववाच्य में भी इनसे एक त होता है, तेन गतम. You can just say तेन गतम. So this way, we can just use the ta pratyaya as kind of a shortcut because it is much less letters than normal sentences. So in this way, niyama is complete. We can just see abhyasa very quickly. This will not be difficult. And one more thing with nishtha pratyaya, just reading nishtha pratyaya will give abhyasa. Even if I just read patitani, patite, patitam, gataha, hasitaha, we say, okay, what is this? Then immediately that sticks in the mind. Okay, hasita, hasitam, hasitaha, kta pratyaya, nishtha. And next abhyasa will be on ktavatu, that is also nishtha. But kta pratyaya at least will be very clear. So we have finished in kind of sandhi. When we saw all the sandhi, and we are all, I think, pretty good at sandhi. Pratyaya, we have done nich pratyaya and san pratyaya properly. In the side, we have done matu pratyaya and ini pratyaya. And today you saw in Vedanta Paribhasha, ini pratyaya came, that Vajrinam.
There was a min word was there.
Yes, again and again it came. Many times it came. But I joined 10 minutes late. I don't know if Swamiji had asked a question in the beginning. But after I joined, he did not ask. But this...
he didn't ask about the pratyaya. He only asked about the Jaimini Sutra.
Okay, so that is ini pratyaya. Vajrinam. Jaise we saw Karin and all those shabdas. Karin and Hati, that Dandin, Vidyarthin. Jaise Vajrin. In that way there was some. So in pratyaya has been the ini pratyaya. But here properly see Nich and Sun. And today in Sarvedanta Siddhanta Sarasangra, that question had come. Sadhaishyati or something like that, right? Karaishyati. And Swamiji asked which prayoga? Sadhaishyati.
For moksha sadhaishyati.
Correct. Sadhaishyati. Nijanta. So this value in Sanskrit is really a lot once we get like Bhashya, Tika, Mantra a lot, like serious. This Vyakarana gives a lot of value.
No, but Sadha Ishyati, I only looked upon it as our Nich Pratyaya, the Nichavala.
Yes.
So what is then somewhere the Nijanta came?
That only.
Let that pass by.
Nich Pratyaya means Nijanta. Nich Anta Nijanta. Nich Anta, see when you say, for example, Pat Dhatu. So when you say Pathayati, right? Sa Pathayati is teaching in that way. Is making the other person study. Sa Pathayati. Pathayati, at the end of the word, at the anta of the word, nich comes. Nich plus anta through jalam jashonte, it will become nijanta. That is it. Same thing. Nijanta prayoga. The prayoga is nijanta. And that will take a rupa of its own. That is why it's called nijanta. But this nishta, we will not say ktanta or something. We will just say nishta. Nijanta because it takes a rupa, like patayati, patayata, patayanti. That whole dhatu will take a rupa. Not all pratyayas are like that. But nijanta pratyayas and sananta pratyayas, which you have seen, nich and san, they are both like that. Nijanta, Sannanta. Those two are the words. So San Pratyaya will come like Sishadaisha. Sishadaisha, there is San Pratyaya. Sadhaitum Icha. Sishadaisha. So sometimes the question may come, Sishadaisha, which prayoga is this? Sannanta prayoga. Because San Pratyaya is there. It ends in.
So Nijanta we said was Nich plus Anta.
This is not, actually that is not a Shuddha way to explain. Generally we can just say Nijanta, Nich Rupa is Nijanta in that. Like.
I'm going to give this to a Vyakarana expert for us.
Yeah. Yes, like when we saw the Samprasaranam. Samprasaranam technically you cannot explain as opposite of eco-energy. But we don't need like super technical Vyakarana language. Right? We just need to find where it is used. So it is quickly, we know what eco-energy is, we already know. So just opposite of that is Samprasarana. Like that. Nijanta is also pretty similar. And also that San Pratyaya plus Tumun. That also is not like super Vyakarana kind of thing. But it is a very valuable trick. Dhatu plus san pratyaya is the same as dhatu plus tumun pratyaya plus icha. Sishadhaisha is sadhai itum icha. So that those kind of tricks are very helpful. And this is another dijanta, sananta, that's another trick.
Yeah, we have one the jijisha.
Jijisha.
If you want to live for that came in, I think.
Ishavasya. Kurvanneveha karmani jijivishet shatam shama.
Yeah. Jijisha.
Shatam samaha. Jijivishet. Same. Jiva. Jivitumicha. Because jiv is a dhatu, right? Jiv is to live. Jiv is dhatu. You can see in dhatu pata, and we see. You just go to dhatu pata and they say jiv, it will come up. You see? Jiv prana dharane, to live. So this dhatu plus tumun plus icha will be jivitum icha. That with san pratyaya is jijivisha. So these small tricks are super helpful when we read like the main granthas. Okay, we'll just do these 7. I'll do the first one and then we can do. So tvaya maya tena yushmabhihi asmabhihi va pustakam patitam pustake patite pustakani paditani. So tvaya maya tena yushmabhihi asmabhihi va, they are said. So tvaya tena yushmabhihi va pustakam patitam. So tvaya and maya are in tritiya ekavachanam, tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam tvaya maya. And tena saha taute. So all three they have given. You, by me, and by him. Saha taute, mere, that is तुम्हारे द्वारा और मेरे द्वारा और इसके द्वारा और उसके द्वारा, whatever. त्वया मया तेन युष्माभिः अस्माभिः वा, युष्माभिः बहुवचनम. So all of you, तुम सबके द्वारा और अस्माभिः, हम सबके द्वारा. So 5 things are given. त्वया मया तेन युष्माभिः अस्माभिः. पुस्तकं पठितं, पुस्तके पठिते, पुस्तकानि पठितानि. 1 book was read, 2 books were read, multiple books were read. अस्तु. सुंदर जी के पे आया तो मया लेखो लिखितः. This much only is enough. Everything else will be very simple.
By me, the writing was written.
Correct. And please read the rest of the thing. So at least we get that practice of reading the pratyaya.
Vidya patita, katha shruta. Now, the word I was looking at, this fact that lekho.
Lekaha.
So, because again it is that...
Visarga has become O.
Visarga become O. So, lekaha. And then katha shruta. Yeah, so katha shruta, patram patitam, Srilinga, and bhojanam cha khaditam.
Satyam. So this way, when we just read, out, patita, shruta, patitam, kaditam, this is all kta pratyaya. Everything. Likitaha, patita, everything is kta pratyaya. Astu Bhavane Sundarji ke paya to sagramam gataha. This much only is enough. Then we'll read the rest. Translation.
So therefore he went to the village.
Bas. And if you can read the rest of these.
Okay. Sa agataha. So atra sitaha. Sa suptaha. So he slept. Sa mritaha. Right. And Raja mitram ashlishta.
Mitram ashlishta.
Ashlishta. Hagdam. Sa asanam adishayati.
Adishayitaha.
Lay down.
Correct. Adishayitaha.
Adishayita. Sa asita. Sat down. So atra upita. He sowed the seeds.
Correct.
Sa jataha. So goes, I think. Jataha. Goes. So vriksha marudaha climbs the tree.
Correct.
And sa jirdaha cha. Sa jirdaha cha lives, I think.
Gets older. Lives. Jirnaha digest, but here you can say this he is getting older. Vriddha. In that way you can. And here Jataha, he was born. Paida hua.
Born. Correct.
So the different, you see, all these are ta pratyayas. Every word is a ta pratyaya. All of them. Gataha, Sitaha, Agataha, Supta, Mrita, everything is Uttara Pratyaya. Astu, Abhaji Kripa to Tritiya. Only this much and then you can read the rest.
Maya Atmabihi.
Asmabihi.
Asmabihi. Maya Asmabihi.
हाँ.
Va.
हाँ.
Lekha Likhitaha.
हाँ.
Lekhaha Likhitaha.
हाँ.
Okay.
You can.
I wrote a letter.
हाँ, correct. By me, Maya, and Asmabihi, by all of us.
Humse.
हाँ,
By
correct.
ourselves.
Correct.
Yeah.
So by me, by all of us, or by all of us, Lekaha
By me
Likita.
or by all of us, letters were written.
Exactly. Letters were written. And please read this, just this much. No need to translate.
Vidyaha, Patitaha, Kathaha, Shrutaha, Patrani, Patitani, Bhojanani, Cha, Khaditani.
Satyam. So Patitaha, Shrutaha, Patitani, Khaditani. All Artha Pratyaya. All Nishta Pratyaya Rupas. Vidya Patitaha. I read Vidyas, or listened to Kathas, or wrote letters, or ate food. All of this is all Kta Pratyaya. Again, Abhaji Kripaya Bhavati eva Panchama. Simhaha Karinam Pidayati. Not a good one.
Simhaha Karinam Pidayati. सिंह ने पीड़ा दी.
करेक्ट. करीण को, हाथी को. यहाँ पे ये किधर है? त प्रत्यय.
हाथी.
हाँ, त प्रत्यय किधर है?
पीड़यति में
नहीं है. There is no त प्रत्यय.
No.
There is no त प्रत्यय. The पीडयति is only lat lakara. So this is another trick. Nishta pratyaya is always in past tense. Vidya Patita, I read. Lekha Likita, we wrote. All this is past tense. Karinam Pidayati is not past tense, it is present tense. Pida karne ka arth. So here there is no Kta Pratyaya.
तो सिंह हाथी को पीड़ा देता है.
बस. Kta Pratyaya है नहीं.
Regular.
हाँ. अस्तु भवती एव अभाजी सप्तमा. कथयताम.
कथयताम.
हाँ.
चिंतयताम.
हाँ.
भोजनम भक्षयताम.
हाँ.
च भवान.
हाँ.
तो ये ट्रांसलेट करना है.
Yes. At least lakara.
आप
Correct. आप correct.
ताम.
Kathayatam will be vidhiling prayoga. Okay. Kathayatam, chintayatam, all this will be like lot or vidhiling. You can check which one
तो
exactly.
मतलब करना चाहिए.
करो बस. लोट शायद है. करो वो करो बस. कथयताम. You do that's all.
मतलब विधिलिंग में you say it is good to do ऐसा होता है ना.
Correct. विधिलिंग में होगा करना चाहिए वैसे. Like
करना चाहिए.
से वेता.
So लेकिन this is direct instruction. करो.
Yes, करो.
तो भगवान
Do it.
कथयताम यानी कथा बोलो.
बोलो. हाँ कुछ बोलो. कथयताम to speak. कथयताम. You speak. That's all.
बात बोलो.
हाँ.
चिंतयताम इस विचार करो.
सोचो. हाँ विचार करो.
सोचो.
हाँ.
and भोजन करो.
भोजन करो. सत्यम. It's quite simple. स्वामी पादौ प्रक्षालयति. So स्वामी पादौ प्रक्षालयति. हाँ.
One second.
Yes, जी.
This
हाँ.
Kathayatam and all that will be Atmani Pada.
हाँ.
Otherwise it will be Kathayat.
कथयतु.
Kathayatu. So
Exactly.
this is Atmani Pada.
Exactly. It is Atmanepada. So Kathayatam, Chintayatam, Bhakshayatam, all this will be Atmani. Exactly. Good catch. This is given in any of these dhatus we have to find. Kat, Chint.
आत्मने पद में अय लगाकर सेवतेवत रूप होंगे. इसी अभ्यास में किया है.
आत्मनेपद में अय लगाकर सेवतेवत. आत्मनेपद सेवतेवत ये ठीक है. लेकिन आई लगाकर इस डिपेंड्स ऑन द गण. If it is Churadikana Dhatu, then you do I. I is the Vikarana Pratyaya, right? So based on the Vikarana Pratyaya. So if it is that Gana, then you will do. Like Churadhatu Chorayati, in that way. But if it is some other Gana, there is no need to add I unless Nich Pratyaya is done. If Nich Pratyaya is done, then you will have to do add I. This is right at the end, I think it will be. Chinta Dhatu 186 में है चिंतयताम लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. If at all you want to check, page number 186. And Kat Dhatu is in 187, Katayatam. And Bhaksha Dhatu is 188, Bhakshayatam. So all this is given right at the end of the book. Astu. Swami Padav Prakshalayati. Prakshalayati again is Nijanta Rupa. So Swami is washing feet. पैरों को धोता है स्वामी. Swami, because they want to give us the new pratyaya, that Amin pratyaya they want to use separately, so they have given Swami separately. Otherwise this Karinha, Vidyarthin, all that is only Ini pratyaya, but Swami alone is a separate pratyaya. Jnaninaha palayati, protects Jnanis. Karye yojayati is going to कैसे बोल सकते हैं, कार्य योजयति लगता है, लगाता है, is making people work. प्रेरयति च inspires. पुस्तकम और makes.
Thinking, planning like that, I think.
हाँ, योजयति. But you know, कार्य योजयति, like he is putting in that, like लगाता वैसे रूप में, like काम में लगाता और प्रेरणा करता. Like he is making some calm for them and he's putting in them. Like yojayati we take in that sense. Because this yuj dhatu will not be yojana. Like for example, you can check in this dhatu pata. If I just say yojayati, you know, which dhatu it comes with, see? You see yuj dhatu is to, where is yuj dhatu yojayati? Here we go. This one for example. No, not this, sorry. This one, to apply, to concentrate, to focus, to meditate. So not just to think of karma, also to make something. And then you put them in that. Inspire them to do that in that way. Yojayat. Because I saw some translation for this line and they had given kam mein lagata. But because it is yoj dhatu and concentrate, maybe you can say is thinking of some karma and inspiring them to do. Astu. Pustakam rachayati, writing, making pustaka. Rachayati. Like how we say Srimad Shankara Bhagavad Padacharya Virachita. I don't know if you have seen that. At the end of books that people written. Virachita they say. The same thing. Rachayati.
So Rachayati is right. And Rochayati would be enjoys the book. Is it?
But Rachayati will be sort of to make. Rachadhatu is to like prepare, like you see, create or compose. In that way you can use Rachadhatu. It is not. And Ruchadhatu, R-U-C, like Ruch, in this way. If you say, then it is to enjoy. So here it will be, like for example, you can check quickly, Rochate they have given. But if I want to check in Nijanta, so you see, this is a good example. You see, when you go to this dhatu pata and you say this kartari, sannanta kartari, nijanta kartari, you see yang anta kartari, this yang also we will get later. All this we are going to get. So nijanta kartari, if you see, it will be rochayati. He is making someone enjoy in that way. He is enjoying will be rochate. That's all, not rochayati. Astu. This one we can do because there are lots of repeats in this. मैंने एक पुस्तक पढ़ी, 2 पुस्तक पढ़ी, 3 पुस्तक पढ़ी. अस्तु. संस्कृत सुंदर जी के तो एक है. ये only this much.
Okay. So मया एकः पुस्तकं पठितम्. एकं पुस्तकं पठितम्. मया पुस्तके पठिते मया 3 पुस्तकानि पठितानि.
सत्यं बहु सम्यक्. Bahu samyak. Exactly. Because Trini you have to put here. But for though you don't have to say dve. You can just say pustake. Because pustake only means two. But if you say pustakani, it means three or more. So correctly you said Trini. Wonderful. Bhavaneva kripyavatu. Usne khana kaya.
उसने खाना खाया तेन खादितम
Satyam. Tena bhojanam kaditam. You can say. Because they are giving khana. And Tritiya is all repeat. So all these are repeats. We will do them separately. 14. Chaturdasha.
Okay. 14. So here Rata Tam Ashrishta.
Brataram. Ready. Brataram.
Brataram
Ashlishtaha. Satyam Bahu samyak. Ashlishtaha.
Brataram, because Brataram would be
Dvitiya.
in Dvitiya, correct.
As
Brata here is because it is Brata, it's Pullinga, right, Shabda?
Pullinga Shabda, correct. So Brata is the Pratama Ekachana. Pratama Vibhakti Ekachana is Brata. Brataro, Brataraha. Like Pita. Pitaro, Pitraha. Let's say.
Correct. So Brataram Ashrishtaha.
Correct. Astu. Abaji कृपया वदतु तृतीय.
मैंने लेख लिखा. मैंने will be aham.
Okay.
नहीं मया. By me the letter. मया. लेख पर क्रिया हो रही है. Right, so this has to be in the Dvitiya form.
But you are going to say it in Karma Vachya.
Acha, okay, so now lekh has also become Prathama Vibhakti होना चाहिए इसका.
Correct.
लेखः.
Correct. Wonderful. फिर?
मया लेखः. But this Prathama Vibhakti is for the third person, I think. So with Maya, there has to be some other form.
No, Maya is correct. Maya, Lekaha, then Likha, you have to say something.
Lekha. Likhanti. No.
You have to use Kta Pratyaya Rupa.
Prichan. Na? Likhitaha.
Correct. Bahu samyak. Maya Lekaha Likhitaha. Simple, wonderful. Bhavati eva. मैं हंसा.
Okay, मैं is aham. या फिर this is also मेरे द्वारा हंसा गया है.
Yes.
Okay. So Maya, this is now हसितः ऐसा नहीं होगा.
They have given this.
Maya hasitam.
Hasitam bahu samyak, because they had given earlier napumsakalinga में. You see here, क्रिया में नपुंसकलिंग एक वचन ही रहेगा. हसितम, that is a napumsakalinga. Bahu samyak. Maya hasitam. Astu. We will just do the rest. Can you
please explain लिखितः and hasitam में difference क्यों था?
लिखितः because it is karmavachya. There is a karma here. Lekha. That karma you are putting in Prathama Ekavachana. So you are saying Lekaha. But here there is no karma. It is Bhavavachya. When there is Bhavavachya, this will automatically be Napumsaka.
Okay.
So Maya Lekaha Likitaha Maya Hasitam.
Lekha Likitaha Maya Hasitam.
In the same way, Tena Varoya Tena Ruditam, you can say, or because Rodhatu, you can just say Saha Ruditam, because it will be in this Gati Artaka Sutra, Akarmaka Dhatu, Rudita. So you can just say Saha Ruditam. और उसने पुस्तक चुराई. तेना पुस्तकम चोरितम.
उसने पुस्तक चुराई.
तेना पुस्तकम चोरितम. सत्यम. So I'll just do the next few because we are running out of time quickly. Maya Vidyam patitaha or patita, sorry, maya vidya patita. Vidya has to be in prathama ekvachana, patita. उसने फूल देखा. तेना, हाँ, what is the question?
No. It's Strilinga.
Strilinga, exactly, Strilinga. And here, pool is in Napumsakalinga. So, tena pushpam drishtam, we'll say. Tena pushpam drishtam. And here, sa vidyalaya, saha vidyalayam gataha, or tena vidyalayam gataha. Or so you can say, because gataha is comes in this gatyartaka, karmaka. I'm still connected, right? You can still hear. The power went away. Astu. So because this gam dhatu comes in this gati artaka sutra, saha can be used. Tena need not be used. So I can just say sa vidyalayam gataha. That is enough. Here, where is that? Here, 9th one. So vidyalaya gaya, sa vidyalayam gataha. That is also correct. When there is gati artaka dhatu, then you can just use ta pratyaya with saha. If there is no gati artaka dhatu and it is sakarmaka dhatu, then you use ta pratyaya always with tritiya ekvachanam, tena, maya, etc. Tvaya. Saha, baad mein gaam mein aaya. Saha punaha, you can say. Or there is one more word they use, paschat. Sa paschat gramam agataha. Sa shigra. ये क्या है? साया, सोया है.
See, we said.
We said.
We said that gataha is both for coming and going. I know that agataha sounds better. I mean, you recognize it very easily.
No, chalanam is the, for both. Gataha is also for coming and going, but agata is a better word to use.
Yeah, it's a better word, but saha gataha can equally apply to coming, because that's what we discussed last time.
Yes, but gataha can apply to coming only when there is another specific dhatu that really means going. This is the Veda. If in a sentence you are specifically using a dhatu that only means to go somewhere, like chal dhatu. Chal dhatu can mean both going and coming. But you are going to use chal dhatu in the sense of going. Then you can say gataha is to come, because he is traveling. But generally gataha is to go only. This is a good practice.
Agata is nice.
Yes, agataha is much better. You can say chalataha or chalita, whatever. The chal dhatu ke roop you can use. But this is just a purer version. Like that will bring up some shanka by somebody. Gataha is quite clear. Vashigra soya, sa shigram suptaha, you can say, I think. Suptaha, I think you can say. Sashigram suptaha. Soya, not saya, soya. Putra hua. Putraha jataha. Jaise here that shabda had come. Sajataha, putraha jataha. Main beta. Aham tishtaha, you can say, or you can say aham asan, asitaha. Maya मैं बैठा ना. So maya aham asitaha, you can just say. Aham asitaha. There is no karma.
Asitaha or asam? Asam would we say?
Both are correct. If you want to use ta pratyay, then you say asitaha. Or you don't want to use ta pratyay, just normal, so lang lakara, asam. Asida asam. That way.
And putra hua also, what did you say was that?
Jataha.
Jataha.
Like how here you had said, right? Sir Jataha, he was born.
That's it.
Jataha. Astu. 14. Bhai ne bhai ka we did. Panchadasha. Main vaha raha. So vas dhatu has to be used, and I can use kta pratyaya. So maya tatra vasitaha. But vasitaha, there is another rupa. This ta pratyaya for vasitaha is a bit weird. It is like, I think it is ushitaha. You'll have to see in pratyaya. Vas dhatu. I'm just searching. they have not given here, but vas dhatu I think will be ushita.
Ushitah?
I think it is ushitaha, but because here you see they had given here ahead saha utra ushitaha. They had given that in the Sanskrit also. So that is why I think ushitaha is the right way to say. Yeah. So atra ushitaha, he was there. So he lived there. So aham tatra or maya tatra ushitaha. Because here it is me, right? Me vaharaha. Maya tatra ushitaha. और अहम तत्र उषिता. वह आसन पर सोया. स आसनम और हाँ आसनम and they had given that adishayitaha. This is शब्द. स आसनम adishayitaha. बालक पैदा हुआ. बालक जाता है. मैं पर्वत पर चढ़ा. So aham parvatam aruhat, you can say, aruham you can say, or ruhitaha. No, they are not. Arudaha. So correct. Sa vriksham arudaha. So in the same way, aham vriksham arudaha. Or parvatam arudaha. Aham parvatam arudaha. Then va baddhu hua. So here they are given jiranaha. Same. So jirana. वह आया और मैं गया. स आगता अहम गतः च. विद्यार्थी योगी और त्यागी की पूजा करता है. विद्यार्थी विल जस्ट बी प्रथमा एकवचन विद्यार्थी. योगी त्यागी च पूजयति. और योगी और त्यागी, you can put in आदरार्थे बहुवचनम and say पूजयन्ति. I think पूजयति is okay. एकवचनम means पूजयति, बहुवचनम पूजयन्ति. द्वाविंशति मंत्री मंत्रणा देता है.
Sorry, one second.
Yes.
They had the word jnani naha. Would we say yogi naha?
Correct.
Or would we just say yogi?
But here we don't know if it is ekavachanam or bahuvachanam. If it is one yogi, you will say yogi. Multiple yogis, yogina. Yogi, yogina, in that way.
Okay.
मंत्री मंत्रणा देता है. मंत्री मंत्रयते. सिंपल. मंत्रणा देता है मंत्रयते. There it comes somewhere. I think in the examples they had given मंत्रणा. मंत्रयते. हाथी दंडधारियों को दुख दे रहा है. Generally they don't do, but they are, for the sake of the translation, they have put like that. Karinaha was the shabda. So kari you can say. Kari, karinau, karinaha. Right? So kari. Actually, I have to check this. Should you use... Okay, kari is good enough. Kari dandinaha dukkhayati or pidayati. They are given. Dandinaha pidayati. करी दंडिनः पीड़यति. वह वस्त्रों को धोता है. सह वस्त्राणि you will say. वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति because सह प्रक्षालयति. पिता पुत्रों को पालन करता है. पिता पुत्रों का. पुत्रों बहुवचनम. So which शब्द will it be? पिता dash पालयति. But dash is
पुत्राः पुत्रां
पुत्रान् न. रामः रामो रामः रामं रामो रामान्. पुत्रा पुत्रो पुत्राः पुत्रं पुत्रौ पुत्रान्. So नकार will come. पिता पुत्रान् पालयति. ज्ञानी वाग्मी को प्रेरणा देता है. ज्ञानी is प्रथमा एकवचनम कर्ता. ज्ञानी वाग्मी is in द्वितीया एकवचनम. So वाग्मिनम प्रेरयति. वह पक्षियों को गिनता है. अच्छा. So सहा और स पक्षी पक्षिणः. पक्षी पक्षिणः in that way. पक्षी पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः करिन जैसे. पक्षिणः गिनति और not ginati. Counting is something else, right? Counting I think is ganayati. They had given this example somewhere.
Ganana karna na
Ganayati, I think. If you'll check, I'll check on this. I think it is to count is to Ganayati. Ganayati. Saha Pakshinaha Ganayati. फिर विधि ने शशि को बनाया. ओके, विधि ने शशीनम arachayat, you can say. Or if you want to use the pratyaya, vidya, right? Vidya shashihi rochitaha, you would say. और रचिता ईमेल. योगी सोचता है, योगी चिंतयति.
ओके, चिंतयति.
सत्यम, सिंपल. वाग्मी कथा कह रहा है, वाग्मी कथा कथयति, कथाम कथयति, बिकॉज द्वितीयायाचन.
दिस ट्रांसलेशन, सो आई रिमेंबर दिस.
And all this is very simple. They have given simple ones, and I guess now with practice we have got easy. The main thing of this abhyasa is these shabdas. You see, this book, the first section, patitam, patite, patitani, likitaha, patita, shruta, patitam, khaditam, likitaha, patitaha, shruta, patitani, khaditani. If I have a good sense of what this Nishtha Pratyaya does in such words, when I read in Bhashya Tika, it will just strike quickly. So a good practice actually is just go, and when you have like 5 minutes sometimes, just see these words alone. This patitam, patite, patitam, or patitaha, hasitaha, khaditaha, gataha, mritaha, jataha, jirnaha, marudaha, adhishayita, rachitaha. Just these words, if we say, it will be helpful to understand what kta pratyaya is. Maya trini pustakani patitam nasti. Maya trini pustakani patitani. It has to follow the karma. Aham vidyam patitam nasti. Aham maya vidya patita. Because vidya is strilinga. Kha ko lot, lang or vidhiling or lit mein badla. So kha ko we can just take some simple one for kha. They had given here. So if I take pujayati or okay, pujayati. Pujayatu will be lot. Pujayet will be vidhiling. Pujayishyati will rit. Apujayat lang. Or I can say puja. Puja karoti. Karoti and karotu, kurvet and akurvat or karishyati. So all 5, yeah, we have got good abhyasa of these 5, at least the main ones. इन धातुओं के 10 लकारों को पूरे रूप लिखो. So we will have to see this later at your own time. Peed, prakshal, pal, yuj, prayer, gan, mantra, rach, puj. The point is everything will follow chur dhatu, churadigana. So peedayati, prakshalayati, palayati, yojayati, prayerayati, ganayati, mantrayati, rachate, pujayati. So you'll have to see which is आत्मनेपद, which is परस्मैपद. That is all. इन शब्दों के पूरे रूप लिखो. करिन जैसे करीनहा, in that way. Karin, Dandin, Vidyarthin, Swamin, Mantrin, Jnanin, Yogin. Everything is same. Everything is ini pratyaya. All of them. क्त प्रत्यय लगाने पर कर्ता, कर्म और क्रिया में कौन सी विभक्ति और वचन होते हैं? We can do this. So क्त प्रत्यय लगाकर. हाँ जी.
Like we say, Dandin is ini pratyaya. So how do we use this word Dandin? It will just be Dandinaha? How will it be?
Dandi Purusha.
Dandi Purusha.
So Dandi.
So if he is got some, how will we use Dandin?
So Dandi is also ini only. Dandi agachati. Pratipadika is Dandin. Which pratyaya? Ini. That is all.
Okay. Okay. We wanted to cover, but today there may not be time. Then I wanted to understand that anit, that he.
Acha, eat and unit. Yes, so that we'll do
Yeah.
the first thing on Monday. That we will do that.
First thing on.
I eat and unit. Yes, that's slip man. That we have to do. So that's not. It won't take time, but we'll still do it then because we don't have time now. क प्रत्यय लगाने पर कर्ता कर्म और क्रिया में कौन सी विभक्ति? सो सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु क प्रत्यय लगाने पर कर्ता में क्या होगा विभक्ति?
प्रथमा.
हाँ, प्रथमा त प्रत्यय लगाने पर त प्रत्यय
तृतीय कर्ता and कर्म प्रथमा and क्रिया will follow कर्म.
यस, क्रिया विल फॉलो कर्म. एग्जैक्टली. एक उदाहरण 10 उदाहरण नहीं चाहिए, एक उदाहरण बस. एक उदाहरण सेंटेंस.
We have just seen. So मया पुस्तकं पठितः.
हाँ, पठितः नास्ति. पुस्तकं
पठितं.
That will follow. Some other example? Any other example?
Okay. मया गृहं गतं.
गृहं गतं. सत्यं, बहु सम्यक्. अस्तु, आभाजी कृपया वदतु. हाँ,
मया अन्नं
पचितं, बहु सम्यक्. और अन्नं भक्ष धातु also खादितं. हाँ, खाना बनाते हैं, खाना खाता हूँ, जो भी है. अन्नं खादितं, पचितं, whatever. That is all correct. Yes, correct. And पंचम भवती एव वदतु आभाजी. किन धातुओं के साथ क्त प्रत्यय होने पर कर्ता में प्रथमा रहती है? विच धातु? वन एग्जाम्पल धातु दे वांट. स उदाहरण बताओ. सो विच धातु और विच धातुस रादर? This is there, you know. In which dhatu? Huh? Sundar ji?
A bit mixed up today.
Akarmaka, that is correct. Or this one, Abhaji, this niyama, gati arthaka, this one. Any dhatu. हाँ, बस.
So अगर हम लेते हैं वस धातु, for example, रहना. So वसति.
करेक्ट, वसति. सो वस धातु नहीं लेना है ना. गत गम धातु ले सकते हैं. वे चल धातु ले सकते हैं. वैसे सी गम धातु ग्राम
लिस्ट में है ना.
लिस्ट में वस
जाना चलना अर्थ के धातु में अकर्मक तथा all these धातु.
वस धातु. हाँ, you can take. Yes. Yes, of course. It is not wrong. It is very good. Vas dhatu, jan dhatu, sta dhatu are all very good. But the easy dhatu is gam. Gam dhatu is like more commonly used. But if you find vas dhatu easy, yes, you can take vas dhatu. So vas is also correct. So, but the thing with vas dhatu, it won't be vasita, it will be ushitaha. So that you will have to remember. Sa ushitaha. Sa graham ushitaha will be. So that you have to remember. But otherwise it is this way only. So gam dhatu is that. Don't worry if we went a bit fast today, because this kta pratyaya tomorrow also, Monday also the same kta pratyaya only. They are going to give more examples. So there will be more practice for kta pratyaya. You see in Abhyasa 32, again kta pratyaya. So we can see all of these things again. We'll do a quick refresher on Monday as well. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम